Today we're checking out these RedRock rain guards in black for the 2024 and newer Tacoma double cab, but excluding the TRD Sport. This is a clean window visor upgrade for Tacoma owners that want a darker side window accent with a practical weather protection design. These rain guards are all about the slim black window line they add to the Tacoma. The gloss black finish gives the side glass a cleaner and more finished look, especially if the truck already has some black trim, dark wheels, or tinted windows. This is going to be a 4-piece set, so the front and rear doors match perfectly instead of having coverage up front and just letting the rain in on the back windows. The design also lets you crack the windows while you're parked or while you're driving in light rain, so the cabin can get airflow without leaving the interior exposed to people walking by and even knowing the windows are cracked, and you can leave the windows cracked while you're driving around without getting any rain inside. For the newer Tacoma double cab, these are a simple way to add both style and everyday comfort without making the truck look too heavily modified and go too far away from stock. When it comes to the construction on these, you're getting injection molded acrylic plastic with a gloss black finish. Acrylic is perfect for this type of part because it's lightweight, durable, and impact resistant, which makes it a great material choice for exterior window visors just like these. These are designed using original vehicle data for a very precise fit, and they're going to install with the supplied automotive grade adhesive bonding tape that's already pre-applied to the part, so that is even going to further simplify this process for the install. And if you stick with me, we'll show you that install just here in a minute. As far as the pricing goes on these, it's coming in right around the $70 price range for the set of all four. That is a very approachable price for a full set of Tacoma specific rain guards. Compared to some universal stick-on visors, these are made for the double cab body specifically, and they give you a cleaner and more complete window treatment than just some budget options on the market. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You can have this job done in about 20 minutes of your time. So let's head on out to the shop. We're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
Today we're going to install rain guards on our Tacoma, so let's get started. All right, before we can get our rain guards installed, we want to clean and prep our surfaces, and then we want to line this up so we can test to see where we want it to go. We have it on that edge over here, and it's also lined up in the front just here. Now that we have an idea of where everything's gonna line up, we're gonna peel back our backing, and we're gonna make a little flag end so we can pull it off later. So we're gonna go up about a 1/2 inch, and then fold that over, and then we're gonna repeat that for the other side. Now we can fit these on, get everything nice and lined up, and then we can remove the backing. And the same thing with the front end. We'll hold that down in place, and then we can continue peeling. Then same process for the rear window. We're gonna fold up our backing. There. Here. And then we'll flip it around and get it lined up. Once you have your driver's side installed, you can now repeat the entire process for the remaining side. That wraps up our install for RedRock rain guards in black for a 2024 and newer Tacoma double cab, excluding TRD Sport. Just remember, for everything Tacoma related, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.